Oh, one at a time.
These?
Yeah.
Oh.
Better put them back or you won't know where they go.
Okay.
Did you read it and look at the picture?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the school?
Let me see it. Oh, okay. It is kind of cool. Let me see the other one. Just hold it.
Oh.
Hold it and pull.
Okay.
Push it.
Oh, that's really cool.
Go all the way around so the backs touch.
Oh, okay. Let me get you. Cool.
Spin it.
I see it.
Spin it back the other way. Spin it for me.
Okay.
Oh, this is another one.
Grab it to the sides. Push it back in. See, it flips.
School.
Your first fiddlestick fair.
Oh.
Okay, just lift it.
Oh, that's really cool.
Show it to me. That one you just make sure it's set right. Yeah, just pull. It won't lift.
There's a few of them that I remember that you showed me. before you were done making it.
Mm-hmm. Push. Just push it.
Yeah, it's not working.
Little lip.
I think they're stuck together. Oh yeah, this is the whole one I was remembering.
Mm-hmm. Both of them at the same time. Mm-hmm.
Dad asked me if that was our mascot so she could put it in your birthday.
Turn that off, Ella.
Okay. Like power it off.
Sure.
Another one. I don't think he showed me this one. I just looked at the picture and laughed.
Which one was that? Oh, when you're Dracula. It's easier to go from the bottom up.
I don't really remember that one. Pirate Neil was a monkey.
Yeah, a long time ago.
One and only time our costumes actually matched. Sort of. When you were a monkey?
Helen Keller. Bad pun. You and Izzy Ansard.
Yeah. That dog hated that thing.
She knew to ride, though, didn't she?
And she was in your life.
Oh, alright, look at this one. What are you?
Put it back there for safekeeping.
Yay, it's an explosion box. My first ever.
First ever explosion books. Let's see, that's gonna be the hard part.
Could be the last. Somewhere there's a rubber band.
Yeah, no, that one looks normal.
Oh, they get a little difficult. Do you know where the rubber band is?
No.
Oh, it was there a minute ago. Well, your hand's big enough to cover the whole thing, isn't it?
This side that's not blended out. There we go.
Pull some of these.
You like your explosion box?
That was really cool.